Between smart home devices and smartphones, TV streaming and gaming systems, video conferencing and schooling from home, many households rely on their internet connection. But all these devices and tools eat up a lot of bandwidth and can slow internet speeds way down. If you're feeling frustrated with your internet speed, use these tips to ensure your connection is running at peak performance. Simply turning your modem off and back on can force it to reset and improve slow connections. If your internet is slower than usual, it's always worth a try to reboot the modem before doing anything else. It's helpful to know how fast your internet is currently running. Run an internet speed test a few times to get a more accurate picture of your overall speed. Make sure you've turned off all devices and run the test on only one web-connected device for accuracy. The more devices you have connected to your internet, the lower the overall speed will be. Be sure to account for all the devices connected to your internet, including smart devices like Google Home or Alexa, security devices, smart TVs, thermostats, and home security systems. Turn off any non-essential devices. Devices on sleep will continue to use internet bandwidth, so try to shut them down completely whenever they aren't in use. Move your router to a high, centrally located place in your home so your signal can broadcast more effectively. Choose a bookcase or shelf and avoid placing it on the floor, in a corner, or in the basement. Never place your router or any other electronic devices near a heat source. Depending on how many connected devices you have and the number of people in your household streaming video, gaming, or doing virtual learning or work, you may be using all your speed. If you're already getting the maximum speed for your service plan, but you find it's not enough for your household's needs, there are a couple of options to increase your speed. Upgrade your service to a higher speed. Start by logging on to CenturyLink on the web or through the app to find out whether speed upgrades, like fiber internet, are available at your address. Boost your Wi-Fi coverage. It's also possible your wired speed is fine and that it's your wireless signal that's slowing you down. Get a Wi-Fi extender to improve the range of your Wi-Fi. If additional troubleshooting is needed or you believe there's a problem with your service, search our large catalog of troubleshooting and self-help articles at CenturyLink.com/internethelp.